So to get this bottom bracket out, I'm going to start by unhooking the chain to give us a little bit of room to work. The tool necessary for removing the cap and the crank arm, the grease cap, is going to have that out relatively easily, which is good. There's the grease cap and the tool for the grease cap. Fine, put that in our tray so they don't go misplaced. We need the two pinch bolts out of the crank arm. So there's one pinch bolt, put that in our tray, and the second pinch bolt, I'll put that in our tray as well when we're done with it. That's fine. And in this case, the crank arm I can pull off. I have actually had that one off already, so I knew it wasn't going to be terribly difficult to get off. We'll give that a clean as well because it's pretty in need of a clean, which is understandable. So the crank itself is still in the bottom bracket bearing just now, so we need to take the crank out before we can change the bottom bracket bearing. So I'm going to use a soft face mallet because I don't want to damage the crank itself. So in this case, the crank hopefully will come out without too much bother. So there's our second piece of our crank out. Again, that can get a clean check for wear and damage and such like before things go back together again. I'll put that in my tray so it don't get misplaced. And now we are into the actual bottom bracket bearings themselves. Okay, see you soon.